to formulate a new conceptual idea, right? Multidisciplinary is when mutually exclusive disciplines converge.
Abstract concepts I had. So I wanted to give a visual, if I wanted to, let's say, if I wanted to illustrate visual sarcasm.
Parapsychological, psychopathological, or pathophysiology. Over-commercialized way. When something is over-professional, over-commercialized,
yeah, absolutely.
There's a high level of inauthenticity.
Subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have to...
What is the underlying mechanism that governs a phenomenon? You know.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. It's diagonal and horizontal lines.
You know, maybe that's the game.
You play a note on an instrument. What determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What communicate language just as effectively as human, figurative and rhetorical even.